Hi, I'm Nick Swayze with Keystone RV, and I'm the product manager for our Bullet division. Today I'd like to show you our newest premier floor plan, the 34 BIPR. As you can see here, we've extended our kitchen slide to include the entertainment center directly across from the sofa. That makes it a lot easier to see the TV from all angles, as well as opening up the space to make it a lot easier for people to get around each other. In a bunkhouse, you're planning on sleeping a lot of people already. As you can see in our bunkhouse, we have a solid wood entry door for better privacy and to keep those kids quiet. On the off-door side, you'll find a fold-down bunk directly above our fold-over futons. On this side, you'll find two single bunks along with a wardrobe and prep on the inside to add a TV on the back wall. So this area you can sleep about 5 people. In the slide out, you'll find a 68-inch trifold sofa where you can sleep an additional 2 more. In our booth dinette, you could sleep up to 2 more. And then in the bedroom, it's a full queen. So you could sleep up to 11 in this floor plan. All of our premiers come standard with the booth dinette with a great storage access on both sides for pots and pans or blankets or anything like that. You can also option a freestanding dinette table with 4 chairs. In the kitchen, you'll find a lot of extra storage, as well as LG solid surface countertops, a stainless steel sink with a pull-out sprayer. As we walk into the bedroom, you'll find a full 60 by 80 queen bed, wardrobes on each side of the bed for hanging storage, as well as a laundry chute where you can put a laundry basket in the pass-through and throw your dirty laundry down there to keep it from cluttering up your cabinets. As we head into the bathroom, you'll see a dual entry as well as a 32-inch radius shower with glass door. One more thing I'd like to show you is a full outside kitchen that comes with a 32-inch LED TV, refrigerator, and a pull-out countertop, as well as an optional RVQ grill. To find out more about this exciting new floor plan, please contact your local dealer. Thanks for watching.